TCL crew, welcome to SweeTings by TCL. Today we are going to be making puff puff bread. We're going to start with pouring 1/2 cup of water into a bowl, and then we're going to add 2¼ teaspoons of active dry yeast. You want to mix this yeast in very well. Make sure all of the yeast is coated with water. I'm from New York, so puff puff bread kind of reminds me of Zeppelis. I don't know if you guys know what that is. If you do, comment below. Zeppelis, I used to love those. They taste amazing. All right, y'all, I promise that these plantains are not bad. They are overripe, and this is exactly how you want it for the puff puff bread. Perfect. So you can use 2 large overripe plantains. I used 3. Basically, what you want to do is you want to blend the plantains until smooth with 1 cup of water. So in a blender, 1 cup of water, the plantains, you want to blend it until smooth. Then you want to pour that mixture into the yeast and mix it very well. You want to add the salt, which is 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and you want to stir. Next, you want to start adding in the flour slowly. It's going to be 3 cups of all-purpose flour. You're going to mix it in the batter and fold in. Once you get to a thicker consistency, you want to start to fold the batter in. Next, you're going to cover the batter with a plastic wrap and let it rest for about 40 minutes. You can let it rest for about an hour, but 40 minutes usually is okay. Then the dough is ready to be formed. What I like to do is drop a tablespoon sized ball, and I like to use flour to help me create the ball. After you create your dough, you want to drop it in some oil to fry it. I like to fry mine to a golden brown crispy consistency, but you can definitely take yours out a little bit sooner. This is amazing, and you can sprinkle some confectionate powder over it and it tastes delicious. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until the next video, bye guys.